Hey, this is Mohan and we are going to discuss problem number 10. So, how many 176 ohm resistors are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? Now, if you look at this problem diagrammatically, he gave us the voltage, which is 220 volt, and he gave us the current required, which is 5 ampere. And he's asking how many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are to be connected. So, each of this resistor is equal to 176 ohm, and he's asking the number of such resistors which are to be calculated, which are to be put in parallel, so that for 220 volts we get a current of 5 ampere in total. Now if we observe over here, uh, technically there are three resistances over here connected in parallel, but we don't know yet how many resistors are to be connected. So this is just a diagrammatical representation of the problem, all right? So if so hence we just need to find the voltage, we just need to find the net resistance, and using that net resistance and using this value we can calculate the number of such resistors that are to be connected in parallel for the current of 5 ampere when connected across a 220 voltage. Now, let us consider the number of resistors required as X. So the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of the resistors, that is, if X number of resistors having a resistance R are connected in parallel, then what is the net equivalent resistance? So as you see, 1 by R is equal to 1 by 176. So we know that for a parallel resistors, suppose if R1 and R2 resistors are connected in parallel, then 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So over here, 1 by R equivalent is equal to X into 1 by 176, because 1 by 176 will be added X times. So X into 1 by 176 is equal to 1 by R equivalent. So we get the net R is equal to 176 by X, and this is the net resistance. As you see, 176 by X is the net resistance of this whole group. So coming back again, now using Ohm's law, the number of resistors can be calculated as. So now we know R is equal to V by I, since Ohm's law states that V is equal to IR. So if we substitute the values of R is equal to 1 by 176 by X, which is equal to V by I, and substitute the value of V, which is 220, and I, which is 5. So 176 into 5 by 220, which is equal to 4. So basically we need 4 resistors like this, so that for 220 volts supply we get a current of 5 ampere. Thank you.